Watch this garage door come to life with a brand new panel installation. We start by unpacking the shiny new panels and carefully aligning the first one, the foundation for a smooth, reliable door. Next, we install the required hardware and secure each panel together with precision. One by one, the second, third, and fourth panels are installed, creating a strong, perfectly aligned system. The transformation is incredible. Just look at the finished result. A beautiful new garage door that boosts curb appeal, improves performance, and showcases the quality craftsmanship of prime garage door repair.